I'm glad to continue the stress management series, and today I'm going to speak about relaxation technique by the name Feel Your Body. What I want you to do is be in a comfortable position, then put your hands in such a way that palms are facing upwards and you can look at your palms. Then slowly lift up your both the palms and put it over the face like this. Now once you put it over the face, slowly what you got to do is keep your eyes closed and pass on your palms and fingers and the hand all the way up towards forehead, then towards the entire head. Feel the rounded appearance of your head, otherwise cranium. Feel those bony areas from all the sides of the head, back of the head, back of the neck. Then slowly take your hands in front all the way to the forehead. Then feel the forehead, then the eyebrows, then the eyes, then the nose, then the cheek area, then your chin, then your eyes, then anterior aspect of the neck, that is front side of the neck, then from all the sides of the neck. Then slowly lift up your right palm and put it over the left shoulder region, otherwise neck region. Then slowly feel the shoulder region. Feel the rounded contour of deltoid muscle. Feel the shoulder from front, outer side, back side, and if possible even inner side. Slowly take your palm down and feel entire arm from front side, outer side, back side, inner side. Now feel the elbow. Feel all that bony prominences around the elbow from front side, outer side, back side, inner side. Slowly pull your hand down and feel the forearm from the outer side. Feel that fleshy, otherwise bony areas. Then from the back side, inner side, and front side. Feel the wrist, feel the hand from the back side, from the front side, then the thumb, then index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Now slowly do the same thing on the other side. Say onto the left side now, the neck region. Now the shoulder, the deltoid contour from all the sides, then the arm from all the sides, then the elbow, including bony prominences from all sides, then forearm, then wrist, then hand, then thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Now without opening your eyes, put your hands in such a way that palms are facing downwards over the upper thigh, otherwise around the hip region, you can call it as. Slowly feel both the thighs from the front side, from the outer side, from the inner side. Now feel the knee from the front, outer side, inner side, back side. Without opening your eyes, if it is possible, you can stretch a little forward and try to feel your both the legs from all the sides, front side, outer side, back side, inner side. If possible, try to feel your ankle and foot also. After that, put your palms in such a way that they are facing downwards over upper thigh. Sit back, relax, and breathe comfortably. When you feel like opening your eyes, slowly put your palms over the face, rub your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. This entire relaxation technique, you can try it for 5 to 10 times if it helps. Before I wind up, I'd like to say that try it before you believe it. Thank you, and I'm Dr. Subhash Khatri.